do house is a country home that embraces natural elements and heightens the senses. Designed as a modern country house, the layout follows the standard courtyard house with some variations. The house is designed to bring the residents closer to natural elements, and in the process, bring the family closer together. The design sentiments hark back to traditional Thai countryside homes, capturing the sense of place intimately by engaging the senses of sight, touch, smell, and sound. At the family's request, it follows a box shape with a white minimalist design and modern style. They also asked that the house not be hot inside and be suitable for the Thai climate, with good ventilation and compact circulation. The access route to the house is largely theatrical, revealing glimpses of the family's life while remaining mostly on the periphery. The overall massing is broken up into stacking volumes, reducing its visual impact, divided into two main blocks. The living room faces the street. The bedroom block at the back of the site is screened by the living room. The double height volume is glazed on the bottom and solid on top, blocking direct views of the bedrooms from the street. This open courtyard, which is exposed to the sky, has a direct relationship with the rest of the house. It is a secret garden, created as a private courtyard for the occupants to enjoy from the living spaces, master bedroom, and guest area. The facade regulates views into the house, managing different levels of privacy throughout the day. Besides acting as a visual screen, the facade, when closed, functions as security bars, protecting the house from break-ins. The materials used in this house are completely modern and minimalist. Solid white walls, large glass panes, and aluminum. The basic elements are made of reinforced concrete structure, while the roof is made of concrete slab and metal sheets with thermal and acoustic insulation. The central courtyard is a double-height volume, covered with a roof punctured with varying-sized oculi, allowing rain and sunlight to fall onto the foliage and ground. The courtyard is designed to be contained and protected against the elements, but also has controlled openings, always maintaining the connection so that, throughout the day, the family has an acute connection with the outside weather through this courtyard. The oculi allow the warm morning sun to shine and create gentle shadows on the floor and walls. The house is interconnected with nature and connects the family. The architecture does not draw attention to itself, seeking only to be a place that heightens the client's senses, a place to rest and enjoy life simply, in tune with nature.